Hey everyone, this is a project I finished actually a few years ago, but thought in the wake of the coming summer and social distancing that it'd be something that everyone could enjoy at home with the family, get outside and play and have a good time. A few years ago, Sarah and I took a vacation to Tucson and stayed in a pretty swanky resort. And you walk by some of the things to do there and you never really know what it's all about and if you should do it or not. Well, we found a bocce court and we fell in love with the game, really enjoyed playing, and when we were out there I told her, when I get home I'm going to build us one of those. And so I did, and figured I'd show everyone how to do it so you could enjoy it at home for yourself. Let me show you what I built. So here's the backyard. Got a bocce court right here. Bulldog on display, watching, making sure everything's nice and safe. This is pretty simple to do. We did not have a flat area that I really wanted to put it in. I wanted it near the pond and near everything else we had going. So we flattened the area first. But once that was done, building a bocce court is actually really simple. Let me give you a little closer look on how it's done. If you ever wonder why they call it the granite state, that's why. When we dug out this area, all those rocks right there were in the dirt. So I built the rock wall myself. What you can see is the court's really simple. I've got 4x4s with these 6-inch screws, which are simple to buy and actually go in without any pre-drilling. And I just stacked together in this end, I think 2 or maybe 3 4x4s high. They run down the length. See, I made a little step here so it's easy to get in. And the back stop is about 1 high. Put a little bench over there. The other side I use rocks, just to make it a little easier, and it's cheaper than buying 4x4s. But the back corners, edges of the court need to be 4x4s, nice and wood, so that when the balls bounce into them, they don't get hurt. So this is probably, I don't know, maybe 20 4x4s at about, they run about $7 or $8 each. Not that expensive. And then this is stone dust, which is actually pretty cheap to buy. Probably, I think $20 a yard or so, with a little delivery fee. I think I bought 10 yards, but I used it for other projects. So a good sized bocce court, you can measure it all out at 3-4 inches deep. Is probably maybe 5 or 6 yards. And you just, one of the things that I did was, by keeping 4x4s on one side, before I put the top level on, I built a screed, that went across, and I dragged the whole distance to get it nice and level. I also built out of some leftover scrap wood what I call the bocce court Zamboni. You just pull it, drag everything nice and smooth. Works pretty well. Goose likes it. And that's how you build a bocce court. Now, it's not perfect or regulation, by any stretch. I think they're supposed to be closer to 60 feet. This is 50 long. And when the ball rolls, except for the dog getting in the way, you can see that it goes a little crooked. It bounces around some. And there's little divots and stuff. But it actually makes it more fun part of the game and more enjoyable to play. So that's the bocce court. Now I gotta fix the marks from some knucklehead right here. But it's a great game to play, and everyone should try it out. So I hope you build a court for yourself. It's a lot of fun, and you'll enjoy it, I promise. And it's great for drinking too. Show me pictures if you have any. And once you've done your bocce court, and I'd like to get to see what different takes of it are. Josh out. Have a good one, guys. Bye.